Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you a couple of bargain buys that I found on Amazon. These are by Azure Beauty, and I've never tried this brand before. I was just on the hunt for some, shimmery kind of colors. And I came across these. These are not gel polishes. These are just regular nail polishes. But they're supposed to be quick drying. So I thought maybe I could use them stamping. I'm not sure. Anyways, we're going to open them up. There's 2 kits here. And these kits I got they were buy one, get one free. So they came out to $2.55 each. So this first kit here is just I guess a 2-piece, but it actually comes with a pack of nail polish remover, or little pads, which I didn't know it came with those. That's kind of interesting. Oh yeah, no lint wipes. Perfect. And they actually fit into my automatic machine. Then it comes with a little teeny bottle of nail polish remover, which is really good because I actually do not have any regular polish remover. It comes with a top coat, and these are 10 ml bottles. Okay. And then a pretty pink. So this was their light pink selection. Come with really pretty bottles. Let's see what it looks like. So I think the regular price of this little set here is $3.99, which, come on, that's an amazing price. And I'm going to put a stopwatch going. And I'm going to see how long it takes to dry, because they do say this is supposed to be quick drying. And that is a really pretty shade of pink, I must say. Really cute. And then this is the other set, and this regular price of this one was $6.99. So buy one get one free, so it ended up to be $2.55 each. So it just comes with the normal, thank you. If you have any problems, you can email them. And of course, how to put nail polish on. And here is the colors of the next set. So this is a 5-piece set. It does come with the top coat and 4 colors. Let's check on this. It's been a minute. No, it's still tacky. But it is so muggy here right now that it's probably not helping anything. I haven't put out a video in a bit. I think it's been a week. I have been changing my nail room. Not room, because it's in my living room. but I've been changing it all around, and in the process I've lost both of my microphone fobs, so this is on my camera. If it sounds terrible, that's why. Oh, this is dry. Okay, so this was 2 minutes. That's not bad. 2 minutes for it to dry. Oh, back in the day, I remember waiting at like 15, 20 minutes. Anyway, so I've been changing around my nail room. I bought from IKEA one of those cube calyx, is that what it's called? Those cube storage things. And I'm loving it. I'm trying to organize and make it pretty since it is in my living room. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And I'll show you once I'm done. I don't have one of those fancy rooms that, you know, a lot of nail girls have. I'm a peasant over here. I don't have the money. I'm like nails on a budget type of girl. Anyway, that was the purple. Really cute. I don't know why this is giving me Halloween vibes. So these are light reflective glitters. And they actually have a really pleasant smell. I don't know, maybe I'm just so used to gel polishes, but these kind of smell good. I don't know why. They're really pretty. Okay, well, they're not done. So we're probably looking at about a 2-minute dry time for these, I'd say. Isn't this package giving you Halloween vibes, though? They have a really pretty purpley blue package as well. That's only $6.99. And then they also have some cat eyes, which are $19.99. Now, I can get things cheaper on Temu, but I thought this would be a good option if you have any young kids. You know, you don't want to put gel polish on youngins, so I thought it'd be good to have a couple, you know, regular polishes hanging around. I did buy another set off of Temu. I might put some of this on myself. Give it a try out. They are really smooth and they're right thin, not like gel polishes. But they're really cute. This video, I'm sorry if it's terrible quality. I'm kind of testing out where I placed my cameras and my lights, and I know I'm getting a reflection of the circle light on here, which I'm not happy about, so I gotta try to remedy that. So anyways, here are the colors. This purple is already dry, and I might do 2 coats on them. I didn't even stir these guys up before I put them on. Pretty deep color there. Oh my gosh, my room is, I took out half of my living room, guys. Half of my living room. Hubby threw out our love seat to make more room for me. Isn't that crazy? So crazy. But now I have a little bit more breathing room. It's not so claustrophobic feeling. And I'm the type of person that I need organization or or else my brain, I think I have ADHD, honestly. And I need organization, or else I feel overwhelmed. This pink is so pretty. They have a milky white two-piece as well. Okay, let's give those a close-up. $2.55 each. Definitely a deal. Those are so cute. And 2 bottles of top coat as well. So there we go. This is just a quick video just to show you the awesome deal I got off of Amazon. I'll put the links down below. They are still available, and as of today they are still buy one get one free. So this is Azure Beauty. There you go. Okay, friends, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. I'll be back with Temu hauls and normal content really shortly, so please stay with me, bear with me. I'll be back soon. Bye, friends.